Hey adventurers! We left leafy magic Vermont and hit the road, bound for two iconic East Coast states, Maine and Massachusetts.
And in true adventurepreneurs fashion, it was raining. Because of course it was. Drizzle, our unofficial sixth family member, decided she's not ready to break up with us yet.
But hey, a little rain never stopped us. We slept in a trailer, chased down lighthouses, time traveled through the Freedom Trail, and even braved the witchy chaos of Salem during Halloween.
So grab your umbrellas, your history nerd hats, and maybe a rain poncho or two. This one's gonna be legendary. First stop, Maine. We stayed in the cutest little camper trailer parked in someone's backyard. And yes, it was raining again.
Look, Airbnb roulette is part of the adventure. One night it's a cabin, the next it's a trailer in the woods. We're just waiting for the night we end up in a lighthouse.
Speaking of lighthouses, you can't come to Maine and not see them.
First stop, Nubble Lighthouse, aka Cape Nedick. Classic, coastal, and completely moody thanks to our bestie, Drizzle.
Bouncing off of each other.
Also, there's not water everywhere. It's reflected off the water. Peter, why is the sky blue then? Because it's horrible. Yeah, your eyes.
Next, Portland Head Lighthouse, plus a little bonus, Fort Williams nearby. Because why not throw in a historic fort while you're already soaking wet?
It was like a lighthouse buffet, but instead of appetizers, we get wind-blown selfies and damp socks.
Next up, Massachusetts. And we're staying in Boston, which meant one thing for Adam.
The Freedom Trail. You guys, it's like historical Disneyland. You follow a red brick path through downtown Boston and hit all the major Revolutionary War sites.
We saw everything from the Massachusetts State House to the Park Street Church, which was once the first thing travelers saw coming into the city. Kind of like Boston's version of a welcome sign, but you know, older, and with way more important things to say.
We walked the granary burying grounds, where you'll find the resting places of legends like Samuel Adams, Paul Revere, John Hancock, and the victims of the Boston Massacre.
History just sits right there. No velvet ropes, just, cobblestones and centuries of stories.
We saw King's Chapel and the Boston Latin School, the oldest public school in America, founded in 1635. And guess who went there? Benjamin Franklin. He's even got a statue just chilling out front like a boss.
And this was a funny one, the Old Corner Bookstore, which is now a Chipotle. But back in the day, it was the hub of Americans literature. Hawthorne, Longfellow, Howe, all published through here.
And yes, I recited the Midnight Ride of Paul Revere because I memorized it back in the 4th grade. Still got it, mostly.
We saw the Old South Meeting House where the Boston Tea Party was planned. The Old State House, Boston's oldest surviving public building and the actual site of the Boston Massacre, the spark that lit the Revolutionary Fire.
Standing on that site, it gives you chills. History isn't just something you read about, it's something you walk through here.
No Boston tour is complete without the Paul Revere House, and of course, the Old North Church. One if by land, two if by sea. You can practically hear the hoofbeats echoing down the alley.
We stopped at the Quincy Market and grabbed some Boston saltwater taffy. Then the girls found a redcoat statue and struck their best revolutionary sass pose.
We passed by historic caverns, saw some very intense Patriot decor, and even spotted actual payphones, like relics from our childhood.
Last stop on our Massachusetts tour, Salem at Halloween. A dream of mine for years, and apparently a few thousand other people's too.
They had a fair going on at the marketplace, tons of people in costume. The girls were in full treasure hunting mode. If it sparkled, glowed, or looked vaguely cursed, they wanted it.
Stopped to watch a street performer. Amazing. He juggled. He joked. And probably has a side hustle in wizardry.
Piss me off. Jada, you're gonna throw me the next one, okay? To my right hand in just a second. Could you pass me number 1, Carlos? Thank you, Carlos. That's number 2. I'm kidding, Carlos. They're both the same. Grab the other words and release, okay? Keep looking at my hand. That's your target. Stop licking your lips. It's creeping me out. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Up. Perfect. Wow. Ready? 1, 2. Ah! Testing your reflexes. Jaden, stand up. 3, 2. No. Not just the kids and the day drunks. Come on, guys. I'm out here. I'm giving you my best. All I want is some energy. If you don't have any energy, please just fake it. If you don't know how to fake it, just ask any woman how. That joke gets mixed reviews. Here we go. Everybody together. Take your picture. Wait. Do it now. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Kevin Armour, and this...
The only bummer? You need advance tickets to get into the actual witch museums. And we didn't know that. So no creepy exhibits or broomstick selfies this time.
But now we've got a reason to come back. Salem round 2, anyone?
So to sum it all up, we slept in a trailer, befriended Drizzle again, saw epic lighthouses, walked Boston's entire history one red brick at a time, snacked on taffy, geeked out at every plaque, nearly summoned Paul Revere's ghost, and got witchy in Salem just in time for Halloween. Whew!
Maine and Massachusetts, you were wet, wild, and way too full of history to do in one trip.
If you loved this double-state adventure, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you don't miss our next wild stop on the road.
Who knows where we'll end up next? Probably somewhere rainy.
Adventurepreneurs out.
Yeah, make some noise for the Ferris wheel. When will he stop? We never know.